With this video, I want to demonstrate how easy LoadRunner scripts can be converted into Neoload scripts. So Neoload is started. I click on Tools, select the script converter. I select the path where the LoadRunner script was saved. I name my project as it's selected here already and click on Next. So the next what I'm seeing is the working through the LoadRunner scripts and a summary about the conversion. And this has finished my conversion of the script. I click on Finish. My project is loaded. It's named Convert as defined in the tool. And here is my converted Neoload SAP script.